Well done, Father de Bricassar. How do you like him?
He's beautiful.
Good. He's yours. Happy Christmas.
Well, thank you. And I'll take great pleasure in riding him whenever I'm here, but I can't accept him as a gift.
Why not? You accepted the car I gave you.
Because it allows me to get around and see my parishioners more often than I could before.
A fine distinction. You'll accept my gifts only if some holy use can be made of them. Well, it wasn't poverty.
I beg your pardon?
The vow you broke that got you banished. Uh-huh. It must have been chastity, yes?
All right. My Christmas gift to you. I insulted a bishop, a matter of local church policy.
Oh, you broke your vow of obedience. Oh, that was ambitious of you.
Well, there's some comfort in the fact that the Pope himself later came out in favor of my views in the matter.
Has he now? And he hasn't rescued you?
My dear Mrs. Carson, priests are expendable, bishops aren't. And it's not so terrible a banishment. I have you to remind me of the existence of civilization, and I have Dragida.
Oh, yes. Yes, you would like that, wouldn't you? You'd like to have my Drogeda.
Oh, would I?
Oh, yes, you would. If you could charm me into leaving Drogeda to the church, His Holiness would have to rescue you, reward you, maybe even give you that beautiful red cardinal's robe someday.
A masterful plan. But, my dear Mrs. Carson, I'm a priest. Surely I can serve God as well here as in the seats of ecclesiastical power.
Oh, and how you would hate it. Still, I have to give Drogeda to someone someday, don't I? That's worth thinking about. Well, I hope I didn't say anything this afternoon to upset you. I mean, all that talk about inheriting Drogeda.
You didn't upset me in the least.
Good. Have you thought about it?
About what, Mrs. Carson?
About charming me out of Drogeda, because I didn't say I couldn't be charmed, did I?
Mrs. Carson, what is it you want from me?
Why, only your spiritual guidance, of course, Father. You see, I have a decision to make, and you're the only one that can help me with it.
I'll do what I can.
It's about my brother.
Your brother? I thought you once said you had no family left.
Oh, I have a brother. I haven't seen him in years. He lives in New Zealand. We both left Ireland to make our fortunes, but Paddy hasn't fared too well. He's an experienced man with the land, however, and he has a house full of sons. I'm thinking of bringing him here and making him my head stockman.
I wonder you didn't think of it sooner.
Oh, I did. I've just been waiting, shall we say, to see what might develop. And it would be a comfort to me to know I would be helping Paddy, to know I'm not all alone in this world, not quite reduced to leaving all my pretty pennies to the church.
It's a most generous gift, Mary.
No, never a gift. Now, whoever inherits Drogeda earns it. Thank you, Father.
Good night, Mrs. Carson.